Welcome back, sneakerheads. Today, we've got something truly special for you. Get ready to dive into the world of iconic style and classic design as we unbox the Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG Lucky Green. Alright, let's not waste any time. Here it is, folks, the Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG Lucky Green. Just look at this sleek packaging. It's like opening a treasure chest filled with legendary kicks. The craftsmanship on these shoes is truly remarkable. From the premium leather upper to the iconic Nike swoosh, every detail screams luxury and style. And let's not forget that lucky green colorway. It's vibrant, it's bold, and it's guaranteed to turn heads wherever you go. Now, let's talk about the details that make this sneaker a must-have for any collector out there. First up, the Wings logo embossed on the collar, a symbol of flight and aspiration that pays homage to MJ's legendary career. And check out the classic Air Jordan tag on the tongue. It's these little touches that make the Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG stand out from the crowd. Whether you're rocking them with jeans for a casual vibe or dressing them up with a tailored suit for a streetwear-inspired look, these sneakers are guaranteed to elevate any outfit. If you want to buy this shoe, then there is no other one. If you want to buy it, so good shows. If you want to buy, then the link is in the description box. Go check out and buy. And there you have it, folks, the Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG Lucky Green. A timeless classic that's as stylish as it is iconic. So, what are you waiting for? Go ahead, cop a pair, and make your own luck with the Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG Lucky Green. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay stylish.